Well, hello guys, welcome to another episode, another video, another adventure. We are somewhere down the southwest. I'm not going to give it away what campgrounds we're going to straight away, but we are down the southwest and this adventure begins at the beautiful Yallingup beach, just as you see behind me now. Absolutely amazing, absolutely beautiful. It's a Friday morning, so not overly busy. Just thought I'd sit at the little bench here that's just amongst the rocks. Absolutely amazing location. I've been here before, like a very long time ago, but I've never actually got out and went for a walk, to be honest. I've never actually been to this part, this particular location. I guess when we were last here it was so busy that we just didn't even bother getting out of the car, we just had a quick drive around. But yeah, we're in for a beautiful day. So yeah, here we are down the southwest. Oh, try to get out of the wind. We're here in the southwest. We've got two campgrounds. We've got a Friday night, I'm staying at some place, you'll see that shortly, in due time. And Saturday night I'll be going to a different campground, still in the southwest though. I'll give you a clue though, it's around the Margaret River area, which I must admit I'm kind of in that area now. But yeah, what we'll do now though is I might just send the drone up for a bit. I don't think I've ever flown the drone around this area, so it'd be good to send the drone up, have a look around. Prior to the camping, there's going to be a bit of exploring and adventure. So anyway, I'll talk to you guys soon. But yeah, enjoy the drone footage. Rightio, we've moved a little bit further down from Yallingup Beach. We are now at Torpedo Rocks. It's a very short drive, pretty windy, as you'll see behind me, if I can get it in the angle. I think it's, yeah, just behind me. Down there is supposedly Torpedo Rock. Doesn't look like a torpedo, but they call it that for a reason. How beautiful is this area though? Absolutely amazing. down here. Like, look how beautiful does that water look like just through here. Beautiful white sand. It's amazing how the beaches change the further south you go here in WA. Like, you don't get the beautiful beaches and the beautiful white sand as much up in the metro area, I guess. But it is so beautiful down here.